Hello everybody, welcome in this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a website for free. But stay until the end, there I will tell you the pros and cons. Alright, let's start. We're going to use Wordpress.com to create our free website. So it's very easy, user-friendly. Let's get started. Okay, we'll just use my business email, mirkojax.com. Then we'll use a username, mirkojax.business, a password. Okay, password, continue. Alright, what would you like the name of the website? I will do a restaurant. I will say Mirkojax restaurant. What would be your site be about? Restoration. Restoration is Italian. Yes, Italian restaurant. What's the primary goal for you to have a website? Share ideas, updates, promote my business, foster education, training, mentoring, showcase portfolio. How comfortable you're creating a website? I'm an expert, but let's say 3. Okay, give your site an address. So Mirkojax restaurant. Alright, okay, there is the domain. The domain is the nice name, but we're gonna make this website totally free, so don't worry about. Also, if you already have your own domain, you can use that. But we're going to make this option, the free option, which is going to be a part of WordPress. So your URL will be like that. It's not bad. It's not like a impossible name to remember, but you see it's under WordPress. But let's do like that. It's free. All right, you have other plan. We'll start with the free. But of course it's limited because it's free. Now we're going to see the other plan, the personal premium, the business. But let's do free. Awesome. Give us a minute. Done. Now there are all options that you need to fill out. You need to confirm the email. Let me confirm from my phone. Activate. Okay, but I activated. Let me try to refresh. Yes, I did it. Done. Alright, so by now let's see what's the problem on this free website. Here the full plan the Wordpress.com offer you. The free one, first of all, you don't have a nice domain, so it's not gonna say mirkojax.restaurant.com. It's gonna be mirkojax.restaurant.wordpress.com. It's no big deal, but business always have a nice domain. Then, second, very important, you're gonna have advertisement. So I don't see any advertisement on here because probably I have the ad block. But you're gonna have advertisement that can pop up in any area of your site. You can go up there, you can go in the middle, so it's gonna be very distracting. I saw a website where it covers your navigation, so it's not very good at all. So that's something to think about. Then you have a limited storage. You have 3 GB. It's not bad. Probably 3 GB will be enough. You just have this area here. If you go with the $4 a month, you have more stuff. You can remove the ads. You have more space, and that's it. Same. If you go with the 8, you have unlimited premium themes, but that is not really incredible feature because once you have a theme, you install the theme. The one I found it was nice already. Fine. Advanced customization, unless you are a designer and you know a lot of this trick, you won't need it. You have a lot of space. 13 GB of space, it's huge. I mean, if you are going to upload videos, can be, but for a website, you probably a website can work with half gigabyte, but they want to sell you the premium feature, so 13 is a lot to me. They give you simple payment, monetize your site. Monetize means that you can add ads on your website, but if it's your business, you probably don't want to have ads. And video press support probably are videos, but if you go on YouTube, you can find as many videos you want, or come in my channel. Simple payments, this could be a good thing. Then for $25 a month, you have a lot of stuff you can do, especially something that I like is the SEO. SEO means the search engine optimization, so optimize your site to be found on Google more easily, rank better, because until here we don't have these features. Install plugin. You couldn't install any plugin on the 3 others. Upload theme, Google Analytics. Google Analytics, something very cool to see people that find you, very cool stuff, but it's gonna cost $25. So all for 25 is the best to me. The problem, there is one thing that they don't mention here. The site it will never be yours because the site is hosted on WordPress. So one time, if you want to stop paying $25 a month, you will not get anything. You may export all your data. I don't know if there is anything to export, all the pages, the blog, maybe, but you cannot transfer the site from this service to another one because it's hosted by them. So this is good reason to if you're thinking to create a nice website, I would avoid that. This is just for free, just for now, trying some option. If you need a website, you can contact me and I'll tell you all the good stuff. Because in the end you want to have a website that is hosted on a hosting space that you have total control. I mean, you don't have total control of the hosting, but you have total control of your website. So if one day you are tired of this hosting, you take your website, you back up everything, and you go to another hosting, and your site will be there, and maybe you spend less money on hosting. So that's the bad and the good part to having a free website on WordPress.com. Okay, so if you have any question, write a comment below or send me an email and I'll explain everything. And you can visit also Mary Fisher Design as the place where I work. We do a bunch of stuff for website and all kind of SEO, marketing, strategy and everything. So that's all for this wonderful video tutorial and see you next time. Bye!